Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Gemini AI. Recently, Google had a new features to Google Gemini AI that allow you to generate free music on Google Gemini AI. Let me show you how you do it. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Gemini AI app. After you open up your Gemini AI app, go ahead and click on Create Music right here. And the next thing you want to do, pick a track to remix. So you have so many tracks right here. So we can decide to select a birthday track right here. So then you now describe your track, what exactly you are looking for. It is my little Bilal boy birthday party. Can you please generate a nice song with the name Bilal Yakubu Olajide. Can you please generate a nice song with the name Bilal Yakubu Olajide for me? Then hit send. So here you go. You have your music right here. Okay, we can go ahead and play the sound.
Hey everybody, it's a special day. Let's all shout out hooray. It's time to play. Happy birthday to our friend Bilal Yakubu Olajide. Bilal Yakubu Olajide, what a guy. We wish you joy and lots of birthday cake. The best celebration we could ever make. Happy birthday, Bilal Yakubu Olajide. Yay, it's Bilal Yakubu Olajide.
Wow,
Hey everybody!
incredibly. Now the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here to download our soundtrack. The next thing we want to do here is that we can download in two options. We can either download in video file or MP3. So I'm going to go ahead and click on track only. So click on it and downloading track. Successfully download. Let's go ahead and open the track and listen.
It's a special day. Let's all shout out hooray. It's time to play. Happy birthday to our friend Bilal Yakubu Olajide. Bilal Yakubu Olajide, what a guy. We wish you joy and lots of birthday cake. The best celebration we could ever make. Happy birthday, Bilal Yakubu Olajide. Yay, it's Bilal Yakubu Olajide.
It's that simple. You can go on and use different templates to create a free music using Google Gemini AI app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.